People, that was fucking lame. Chicago with half a room did louder than that. 1, 2! Is in this room for Emma and Zach! Ladies and gentlemen, this next song that we are going to play for you has been banned worldwide. This song was written by 3 beautiful ladies from a place called Houston, Texas. The sort of women that you will remember from your Saturday morning countdown TV shows. The sort of women with dark brown hair you want to grab by the back of the fucking head and just bend them over the hood of your car and undo the belt and take it down a little bit and just make it fun. Say my name, when no one is around you. Say baby I love you if you ain't on the game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady and calling me baby, so what the fuck? Say my name when no one is around you. Say baby I love you if you ain't on the say my name. You acting kinda shady and calling me baby. Say my name, acting kinda shady and calling me baby. Say my name, what the fuck are you saying? Say my name, no one's around you. Say baby I love you. Say my name, say my name, say my Say my name, 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 say my name. Shut the fuck up and just say my name, bitch. We got 2 songs left. Who's ready to take this to the next fucking level with me?